The new revision, in Article 100, covers all definitions, in the National Electrical Code. Part 1, which covered general terms, has been deleted. Part 2, which covered over 1000 volts, nominal, has been deleted. And Part 3, which covered hazardous classified locations, has been deleted. The three parts have been deleted, therefore, all definitions are simply in Article 100. The second revision, in the 2023 National Electrical Code, Code-Making Panel 1, revised Article 100, by removing Part 1, that covered general, Part 2, that covered over 1000 volts, nominal, and Part 3, which covered hazardous, classified, locations. The scope of Article 100 was modified by removing language for those terms used in two or more articles, the XXX.2 reference, and the last paragraph of the scope statement. The panel understands that approval of scope statements is the responsibility of the National Electrical Code Correlating Committee. The panel concludes that this revision complies with the Revised Style Manual 2.2.2, that Article 100 shall not be subdivided. NFPA staff will organize all definitions in alphabetical order. The National Electrical Code has definitions in multiple parts in Article 100, and many definitions scattered throughout the code, many of them in the Point 2 section of the articles. Most of the other standards under NFPA have their definitions in one location, and this will allow the NEC the same requirement. All the definitions throughout the NEC are being relocated to Article 100. The scope of Article 100 has been changed to reflect these changes. The parts have been eliminated, and all definitions will be realphabetized. A revision has been made to the scope of Article 100, and modified by removing language for those terms used in two or more articles. The section, such as XXX.2 reference, and the last paragraph of the scope statement, were removed to provide clarity when applying Article 100 in the National Electrical Code. The Code-Making Panel is very clear that approval of scope statements is the responsibility of the National Electrical Correlating Committee. The revisions made to Article 100 complies with the Revised Style Manual 2.2.2, therefore, Article 100 shall not be subdivided. This revision now requires all definitions in one location, and the changes to the scope reflect these changes.